So now let's see how we can work around with Vignette and Vignette Exposure effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a video clip, and in order to apply Vignette effect onto it, you need to go around under the Effects tab right here. So once you go around and do that, you need to go around under, let's say for example, the color grading section, and over here you can see that Vignette is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag it out over here on the particular footage, then you have the Vignette option. You can change around the width of the vignette, as you can see right here, just like this. You can change around the height, the horizontal stretch right here, vertical stretch, and so forth, and get the effect you want. You can go around and change around the softness. You can go around, change around the curvature, as you can see, and change around the strength of the vignette as well. And you can see that you can also go around and move around the focus point right here. And that is how you give a subtle a direction to the eye when viewers are watching right here. Then you got the color as well, where you can go around and work around with the color for the vignette, as you can see right here. You can make it a bit of greenness, as you can see right here, so you get colored vignette just like this as well. So you can also see that there's different sort of vignette right here, like heavy, and there's vintage and so forth, as you can see. Let me just go around and delete this, and another vignette effect that you have is Vignette Exposure. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then you can see that these are the different presets that you can choose from right here. It is similar to Vignette, but you can see that the settings are a bit different. You can go around and change around the position, of course, just like with the Vignette effect, and you can work around with the stretch right here. You can change around the global, you can change around the horizontal, vertical stretch right here, and change around the rotation just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with Vignette and Vignette Exposure effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.